Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Hedera price prediction and Hedera news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Hedera in 2022. Built as the trust layer of the internet, Hedera Hashgraph is currently a public network that allows individuals and companies to build powerful decentralized applications, dApps. It is designed to be a fairer and more efficient system, able to remove some of the limitations faced by older blockchain platforms, such as slow performance and instability. It raised funding through an initial coin offering, ICO, in August 2018, and launched its mainnet open access for the first time just over a year later in September 2019. As part of the ICO, investors were able to purchase their own platform utility token, HBAR, at the lowest possible price. The HBAR token has a dual function on the Hedera public network. First, HBAR supports Hedera services such as smart contracts, file storage, and recurring transactions. Secondly, it is used to secure the network, as HBAR users can stake their own tokens to maintain alongside fellow altcoins, as did Ethereum. According to Arcane Research, BNB recorded an 11% loss for the week, while Ethereum saw a 14% total loss, underperforming Bitcoin for the week. The top 3 worst performing coins were noted to be LAYER1 tokens, which may suggest that LAYER1s are beginning to taper off in their outperformance of the market. However, the dip has been market-wide and may only be temporary. Bitcoin not much better off. The altcoins had suffered much more than Bitcoin for the week, but Bitcoin itself had not recorded the best performance either. The digital asset which had been on a streak for the last month is the Hedera Hashgraph network ecosystem. Could you tell us about that, and how it differs from a typical EVM blockchain? Co-founder Conor Hedera starter Sure, Hedera Hashgraph, as you might have guessed by the name, is not a blockchain. It functions similarly, however, so getting the two confused is definitely understandable. Hedera utilizes something called the Hashgraph consensus algorithm, which, to cut out most of the technical jargon, essentially means Hedera has a few features that are definitely worth boasting. Some of those features being the transactions per second, TPS, average gas fees, finality, and energy consumption, as well as security. Some of those stats include: the TPS of Hedera has been confirmed as over 10,000 transactions per second, not bad compared to Ethereum's 12-ish average gas fees. A fraction of a penny, sitting on average around $0.0001 United States dollars. Hedera reaches transaction finality in under 5 seconds, consumes 0.0017 kWh per transaction. For comparison, yet again, Ethereum uses 102 kWh per transaction. For those of you who are bad at math, that's a massive difference, and the cherry on top of the cake is security. The Hedera network boasts the highest grade of security possible, ABFT, asynchronous Byzantine fault tolerance. Quite a lot of things really that make Hedera something special for all of us to build on. For why are you deciding to launch on both BNB chain and also Hedera, and not just perhaps Hedera? Co-founder Conor Hedera starter: great question. Short answer: liquidity and users. Long answer: we understand that BNB is a great nexus of interaction. It has many bridges that go to other very popular smart contract platforms, and by launching on BNB chain eventually we're able to leverage all of those amazing capabilities of BNB, and the chain connected to it, and bring them to Hedera, allowing us to kick off a Hedera summer, so to say. 5. This question is a little off the topic, however, do you expect to see Hedera Hashgraph HBAR growth over the next few years? Co-founder Conor Hedera starter: so within the next 6 months we're beginning to see the initial DeFi primitives being deployed, DEXs, lending services, etc., and us as a launchpad to launch a lot of these projects. Then we'd expect to see a lot more gaming and NFT metaverse projects. Hedera has an insanely vibrant NFT community, and the ideas and demos that they've been producing have been downright amazing, and I hope that Hedera really is able to compete with gaming dApps on Solana as an example. Participants on the network, otherwise called nodes, use the Gossip protocol to exchange data. 2 random nodes receive information about a transaction, who in turn transmit it to 2 other nodes, a continuous process till a sufficient number of informed nodes can verify the transaction. Only transaction data is exchanged between nodes, without other network information. Unlike blockchains that store transactions in blocks, the Hashgraph stores transactions in hashes in chronological order. Products currently offered by the Hedera Hashgraph include HBAR, the cryptocurrency, the possibility to write smart contracts, and file service. Following the network's KIP procedure, any user can easily set up an account or create dApps on the network. Market size and the future of the Hedera Hashgraph project. As of press time, the Hedera Hashgraph has a total maximum supply of 50 billion United States dollars, and current circulating supply of 20.74 billion United States dollars. HBAR came up with a novel idea to solve the general scaling problem that's currently plaguing the crypto blockchain ecosystem by deploying a unique architecture for a distributed ledger technology, DLT. In addition to the unique architecture, Hedera also uses a proof-of-stake (POS) as consensus, making it a leading player in the green crypto niche. Another worth mentioning selling point for Hedera is transactions that are as low as 0. Its supply rise by 2% in the previous month, and this stands at over $80 billion. The stablecoin market is dominated by USDT, with a 43.78% share. Furthermore, it is the third largest cryptocurrency, behind Bitcoin and Ethereum, in terms of market valuation. Following Tether, we have USDC, or the United States Dollars coin, which has a market capitalization of $52.5 billion, making it a significant part of the total market. Tether accounts for 28% of the stablecoin economy, and is the fifth largest cryptocurrency after Binance Coin, BNB, which is ranked fourth. Stablecoins advancing investors have great expectations for Terra's, one of the fastest growing stablecoins, we can expect an average price of 30 cents, with a market cap price of 34 cents for 2022. HBAR rate forecast 2023. The value of Hedera will rise, thanks to the efforts of the network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2023 is bullish. HBAR is expected to top out at 51 cents by the end of 2023, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Hedera's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of HBAR will be between 42 cents and 43 cents, expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of HBAR ranges from 42 cents to 51 cents for 2023. Hedera course forecast 2024. It appears that by 2024, Hedera, HBAR, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2024, we can expect the average rate to be 64 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Hedera's maximum price could be up to 75 cents in 2024. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Hedera exchange rate forecasts for 2025. HBARs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Hedera, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $1.07. HBAR is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of 92 cents, a minimum price of 90 cents, and a maximum price of $1.07. Hedera Hashgraph, HBAR, price prediction for 2026. According to Hedera Hashgraph's price target and technical analysis, in 2026, HBAR price is expected to cross the $2.13 average price level. Hedera Hashgraph's expected price low is $2.06 by the end of this year. Moreover, HBAR may reach a maximum price level of $2.58. Hedera Hashgraph price prediction 2027. Based on our in-depth technical analysis of past HBAR price data, the Hedera Hashgraph price is forecast to be around $2.95 in 2027. Hedera Hashgraph rate can peak at $3.58, with an average trading value of $3.04. Hedera Hashgraph, HBAR, price prediction for 2028. The Hedera Hashgraph rate in 2028 is forecast to hit a low of $4.39. Hedera Hashgraph could reach a maximum value of $5.11, with an average trading rate of $4.55 during 2028. Price forecast for Hedera Hashgraph for 2029. According to the forecast and technical analysis, in 2029, the Hedera Hashgraph price is expected to hit a minimum price of $6.36. BTC exchange rate can reach a maximum exchange rate of $7.72, at an average cost of $6.54. Hedera Hashgraph, HBAR, price prediction for 2030. The Hedera Hashgraph is forecast to hit a low of $9.15 in 2030. Hedera Hashgraph rate could peak at $11.03, with an average trading rate of $9.41 during 2030.